Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today we will discuss next option of photo editing in the photo editor app. So open the app. Now click on the photo option and now select your desired photo from your desired place. I'll select this photo which I've used in the previous video. So the last option we have discussed was fit. Now we will discuss from next option, which is text option. We can add different style, fonts and text in our photo. I'll click awesome. I'll add this text to my photo. You can see. You can adjust it to drag anywhere you want to place, and you can see many style of fonts available and many styles are available to apply on your font. Almost they are free, some are in paid or pro mode. You can apply as I am applying different styles. Adjust it where you want to adjust. Move it where you want. Make its size. Fit it. You can apply this type of fonts and this type of font styles, and you can download more style of fonts from this option. Click on that add icon to download new fonts, but you have to watch a video ad to download it. So we will see video ad. You can see on top reward. We will get reward of the free download in 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Now click on cross and you can see it's downloading. New font style downloading. I'll apply this. You can see it is applied. Change style and add any style you want. Go bottom. You can add different colors to your font. Many colors and many gradient colors are also available. You can make them lighter and brighter with the help of the bottom cursor. You can add different labels in the background of your edit text. You can see I have applied snap type text. You can make background to different gradient colors and make it more brighter and lighter with the help of the bottom cursor. Make border, give border to your edit text and make it in different colors. Apply different colors to your edit border and make your border more effective. You can increase the shadow of your edit text, degree of your edit text, and you can change font sizes, alphabet size from here, and you can make line and character. You can also add curve to your edit text in this curve tab. You can see I am applying the curve on the text I have added on my photo. There are many different types of fonts, font styles available. So the next option is sticker. We can add many free stickers in our photo. You can see, but you have to download the stickers. I'll apply this, make it resize and adjust where you want. Make it horizontally, move it. You can see there are many free and many pro stickers available, but you have to download free stickers. I'll add this happy birthday sticker tag. You can copy it also by clicking on this copy option. I'll cut it. I don't want to apply it, just it was to show you. So you can see there are many free and many pro and paid stickers available. You have to download to apply. Huge range available. The next option is blur. You can make your photo or its background blurry. Make blur strength more and decrease it or increase it. Different type of blurs available in this blur option. You can see I can apply where I want or make it lighter or brighter. Motion type blur effect is also available. I'll apply it. You can see motion type. Remove with the help of eraser in the specific area you want, or again draw it with the help of this brush. You can make DSLR type photos with the help of this blur option. So friends, we will discuss next options in the next video because video is getting so much lengthy. Hope you like my video. If my video helped you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.